Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the new cars for June 2019. And yes, I'm a bit late with these because, I was away in June, so I finally got the new cars for June 2019. I have all three, but in this video I'll just focus on the two main cars, which are the all sought after Ferraris. So yeah, these are the June release Ferrari Enzos, or as they're called here, Enzo Ferraris, and yeah, they're actually pretty cool. One silver and one red. So let's just take a look at one of the boxes right here with this really shiny new sticker for 2019. Super shiny. It's just looks like just metallic sticker or something. Well, anyway, over here we got the official Ferrari license, so it wasn't stolen from the factory or something. And yeah, right here, this is the limited color, and we also got another Ferrari logo on the box right there. The back, it's pretty much the same as a normal box, and yeah, nothing much has changed. For the red box, it's the same, so now let's go into these really cool looking cars. And yeah, they both look pretty good, I have to say, especially the silver one in this particular lighting, because it's kind of metallic paint, while this one is just a flat paint. So let's go through the red one first, and then we'll do the silver. So right here you can see the Ferrari badge on the front right here, the rectangle, and over here we got our transparent plastic for the headlights on both sides. There are no tampos right here, and for the rest of the car, it's, I should think, Ferrari red. Not sure if they used any special red paint for this, or yeah, I don't think they would have used any other special paint. So yeah, anyway, we got our chrome silver racing wheels with a really good, and the suspension right here, pretty good, and kind of smooth rolling actually. One way back to the front of the car, we got our two air vents just like on the real car, and right here our A-pillars are detailed in black. So yeah, all the pillars right here all in black, while the rest of the car is pretty much in red. And yep, there is a little Ferrari logo right here behind the front wheel on both sides. Right here, the normal Ferrari badge. And yeah, pretty small, so you won't really see it unless you kind of zoom in or have a close-up view. So far so good for this Ferrari Enzo, all looking very good. And for the roof, we have details for the opening of the doors right here, because I'm pretty sure they open kind of upwards, I should think, or not really sideways. Kind of forgot how the doors open for the Ferrari Enzo because I haven't seen a real one for such a long time, but I should think it opens like diagonally upwards. Kind of actually forgot, but okay, let's just keep it with diagonally upwards, and you can see the markings for the doors. And, well, by the way, there are no opening features for this car, sadly, like all the other mainline Ferraris in 2018 and 2019. So anyway, we have the petrol cap right here, and then the side vent, which is also plain without any detailing. For the back right here, we got another Ferrari logo. This one is the just silver one right there, and the little tiny badge on the black grill at the back. And yeah, we got a detailed engine in there. Not sure if you can see it with this lighting. Trying to focus, but I don't know if you can see it because the reflection is pretty bright. So yeah, we got a detailed engine in black right there, and for the front we have detailed interior. And yeah, it's pretty cool, but unfortunately I don't think you can see it with all the lighting. Anyway, for the back we got more vents right here, and then we got some rear lights, which are actually tempos, because they're slightly different color than the body, or yeah, they're slightly different color than the body right here. So yep, there are rear light tampos, which are pretty cool for this car. We also got our rear diffuser and our exhaust pipes right there, which look pretty cool. Moving that to one side, we got the silver one, which has pretty much the same detailing and logos as the red one, just the difference in the color of paint. So let me just rotate this car around a little bit. See, this one you can't really see the Ferrari logo on the back because it is also silver, but then you can see the rear light tampos much easier. So yeah, here is the car. Really love this metallic silver right here. much nicer than the red version in my opinion, but then again, red is the classic color for Ferraris. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. And just shove in an old Ferrari right here. It's the BB512 from the Made in Japan days. So yeah, this one's with opening features. So yeah, it's just pretty cool. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.